Hey everyone, I want to show you this chair that I have here. This is a really modern looking chair. It's upholstered with wear resistant material that's easy to clean. It has these nice bent arms on here so it looks modern. This is great for a lot of different places. You can put it indoor in your bedroom or your front room or even out on your balcony or as a patio furniture. So it's really comfortable. It has a nice high back. This is the gray one with the black trim. I love how it looks in my house. I think it would look great with pretty much any decor because it's a nice neutral color and it looks great. So we're going to try this out in a couple different places and see how it fits.